The 2015 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.